Hello viewers, in this session we will be practicing Modern Indian History MCQs in the context of the independent states during British rule in India, focusing on key figures, significant events and pivotal treaties. And these MCQs are designed to help you excel in competitive exams. And if you are new to our channel, we encourage you to subscribe for more updates and make sure that this video is in set 5. You can also check out the previous session from the playlist. So let's get started. First question. After which battle was the Treaty of Allahabad signed, granting the Diwani rights to the British East Indian Company? The correct answer is option C, Battle of Boxer. The Treaty of Allahabad was signed in 1765 after the Battle of Boxer, and this battle was fought between the British East Indian Company and the combined forces of Mir Qasim, Shuja-ud-Dawla and the Mongol Emperor Shah Alam II. The British victory in the battle led to the signing of the treaty, which granted the East Indian Company the Diwani rights, revenue collections rights of Bengal, Bihar, and Odisha from the Mongol Emperor. Next question. Who seized the English factory at Kazim Bazar and marched to Calcutta occupying Fort William? The correct answer is option A, Siraj-ud-Dawla. Siraj-ud-Dawla, the Nawab of Bengal, seized the English factory at Kazim Bazar in 1756 and subsequently marched towards Calcutta. He captured Fort William, the main British stronghold in Calcutta, leading to the infamous Black Hole of Calcutta incident where several British prisoners died due to suffocation. This event marked a significant escalation in tensions between the British East Indian Company and the Nawab, ultimately leading to the Battle of Plassey in 1757. Next question. Who transferred the capital of Bengal from Dhaka to Murshidabad? The correct answer is option C, Murshid Quli Khan. Murshid Quli Khan. Murshid Quli Khan, who was appointed as the Nawab of Bengal by the Mongol Emperor Aurangzeb in 1704, transferred the capital of Bengal from Dhaka to Murshidabad. This move was aimed at centralizing administrations and enhancing control over the Bengal region, establishing Murshidabad as a significant political and economic center during his reign and those of his successors. Next question. In which year did Tipu Sultan assume the title of Badshah to assert his sovereignty? Correct answer is option B, in the year 1793. In 1793, Tipu Sultan assumed the title of Badshah to assert his sovereignty and independence from the Mongol Emperor and to emphasize his authority as a ruler of Mysore. This title signifies his status as a powerful monarch and reflected his ambitions to unify and strengthen his kingdom amidst increasing British threats in South India. Next question. Who planted the Tree of Liberty and became a member of the Jacobean Club during the late 18th century? And the correct answer is option B, Tipu Sultan. Tipu Sultan, the ruler of Mysore, planted the Tree of Liberty in Sringapatnam and became a member of the Jacobean Club during the late 18th century. The Jacobean Club was a revolutionary political organization in France, and Tipu Sultan's actions reflected his admiration for revolutionary ideals and his anti-colonial stance against British imperialism in India. Next question. With whose assistance did Hyder Ali establish a modern arsenal in Dindigul? The correct answer is option C, French engineers. Hyder Ali, the ruler of Mysore, established a modern arsenal in Dindigul with the assistance of French engineers, and this initiative was a part of his efforts to modernize his military forces and enhance their capabilities, contributing to his strategic military preparations against British and other regional powers in southern India. Next question. Who invited Nadir Shah to invade India, leading to the devastating sack of Delhi in the year 1739? The correct answer is option B, Muhammad Shah. Mughal Emperor Muhammad Shah invited Nadir Shah of Persian to intervene in Indian affairs due to internal instability and threat from various factions within the Mongol Empire. This invitation ultimately led to Nadir Shah's invasions of India and the sack of Delhi in the year 1739, marking a significant event in Indian history. Next question. In which year did the Dutch East Indian Company establish its first factory in India? The correct answer is option B, in the year 1605. The Dutch East Indian Company established its first factory in India in the year 1605 at Masulipatam on the southeastern coast. This marked the beginning of Dutch commercial presence and trade activities in India, competing with other European powers of dominance in the lucrative Indian Ocean trade. Next question. Sir Thomas Roy visited the court of Mongol Emperor Jahangir as an ambassador of which English king? The correct answer is option C, King James I. Sir Thomas Roy visited the Mongol court as an ambassador of King James I of England from 1615 to 1619. His mission successfully secured commercial privilege for the English East Indian Company, significantly enhancing their trade opportunities in India. Next question. In which year did Mongol Emperor Jahangir issue a farman to Captain William Hawkins? The correct answer is option C, in the year 1609. In 1609, Emperor Jahangir issued a farman to Captain William Hawkins, an envoy of the English East Indian Company, and this decree allowed the English to establish a factory at Surat, marking the beginning of their formal trade and presence in India. Next question. In which year was the East Indian Company formed? The correct answer is option B, in the year 1600. The East Indian Company was formed on December 31st, 1600 by a royal charter granted by Queen Elizabeth I, and this charter authorized the company to conduct trade in the East Indies, significantly influencing the British colonial presence in India and Asia over the subsequent centuries. Next question. Who was the founder of the state of Awadh? The correct answer is option C, Sadat Khan. Sadat Khan Burha-ul-Mulk founded the state of Awadh in 1722, appointed by Mongol Emperor Muhammad Shah. He established Awadh as a significant regional power, initiating a legacy of prosperity and relative autonomy that his successors continue. His governance laid a foundation for Awadh's future prominence. So thank you for watching the videos. See you in the next session.